Hello everybody, how you all doing? This is Samuel here once more. In our last class, we talked about navigating through or getting to know all the settings or the headings you are seeing here and how to navigate through all of them and make use of them to design your website, which we already did. Some settings, we went to the settings and we changed the permalink. That's the link of your website, how it appears, and we changed some other things. Now, like I told us the last time, now we are going to be talking about how to delete things and install new things. We'll pick a particular theme we are going to use to work on this website, but should in case after you are through learning, now depending on the website you want to design, there are different themes for different purposes. There are themes that are used for real estate websites. There are themes that are used for e-commerce websites. There are themes that are used for company websites. There are themes that are used for religious websites. There are different themes for different kinds of websites. And that's why I'm telling you now that before you use a theme for any type of website you need to design, now you need to research on the theme you want to use. And where is the best place to research for the theme you want to use? The best place is YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Now, for any problem you are facing, come to YouTube and ask YouTube, what is the best theme for real estate websites? Along the line, as you design, as you learn, as you grow, you begin to understand these things, and automatically seeing a website that has been designed with WordPress, maybe you will know the type of theme that was used or the name of the theme that was used in designing the website. With all those things being said, I like to explain things to people to understand very well. So now, if you want to install a theme, I mentioned this last time, you go to appearance, and you see theme. Click on the theme. Now, by default, WordPress has already given us themes based on the years or the year we are in. Now, the active one is 2022. Right? It will give you a theme for the current year. So this is 2022, this is 2011, this is 2015, and it goes on 2014, 2019, 2017, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2021, 2020, 2012. Okay, now we do not need any of these themes, so I have to delete them. And if you want to delete a theme, click on theme details. It opens the theme, go down, see delete here, click on delete. So ask you, do you want to delete this theme? Please simply say okay, confirm to delete. Same thing. Now you should know that the more the things in your website, the slower it becomes. So do your best to reduce the content of the website, right? So all these things, you can simply leave them here, but the only thing is adding data to our website to make it head. So we don't need that. We don't need it as much as we don't need it for anything. So why should it stay? Delete them. So click delete. Yes, delete. Click delete. Now you get it, right? So I'm just going to delete all of them. So now I have deleted all the themes and I've left the one that is active. That now, because if I don't know if I can delete this. I can't even delete it. Why? Because it's the theme that is active as at now. There is no any other theme I can replace this with. It's the one that is active now, right? So you can only customize it, but you cannot delete it. But by the time I add another theme to it now, we'll be able to either deactivate it and activate the one we installed. Then we'll be able to delete this. To add a theme, click on add new. So once you click on add new, you will see by most popular. Now this is Astra. It's a theme. It's very beautiful. There are so many beautiful themes here. You can search by latest and search by favorite. There are thousands of popular themes 4,648,000 popular themes. If I click on latest now, to give me 9,243 latest themes. I click on this. I don't have any favorite because I've not selected anyone yet. Can now filter a theme. Let's go back to, so you can filter a theme by education, e-commerce. Maybe you want to build an e-commerce website, or you want a blog website, entertainment, food, holiday, news, photography, portfolio, and so on. Right? Let's go back to popular. So we will pick a theme we want to use. So for the learning purpose, right, we are not going to pick an awesome theme. We just pick any theme to use. Okay, Ocean WP. This Ocean WP used to be one of the best themes. So popular FX. I need a very simple theme. I'm scrolling so that you just see different varieties. It goes on and on. Okay, let's use total. So if you are okay with the theme you have seen and you want to use it, the next thing, once you hover over the theme, you will see install or preview. If you want to preview it first, preview before you install. But I just want us to use this. So I click on install. So installs the theme. You can go back to your plugins or to the theme and activate it. So if I don't want to activate it here now, so I go back to themes, click here to go back theme. So you see we now have two themes here. So you see I click on activate. Once I activate it, it will overwrite that other one. So can import a demo of the theme and other things. Can just work on our own. But before that, let me show you. So look at this theme now. It's no longer active and we don't need it. So what do? We delete it. Please out, delete it. Now we have just one theme. So what do we need to do? So we install all that needs to work with the theme. Click below to install and activate hash theme demo importer. So click on this to import. So these are templates of the plugin that we can use, right? These are the templates of the plugins we can use. Total Plus one page, Total Plus creative agency, Total Plus construction, right? All these ones are premium. When you see premium, you pay for them. Okay, so premium. So since we are going to be working on our own, because I want to teach us from the basics, there is no need importing a theme. So we are going to work all the way up. So forget about the themes, forget about the templates. We're not installing any templates. All we just need is the functionality. Now, good. Remember how the website looks like before. Now let's go back to the website. Let's go back to the website and refresh this website. I refresh the website. This was the old theme we are using before. Now see how it looks like now. Does this look like a website now? It's for me. That is simply what a theme does for you. Now look at, it's telling you sample page. Remember there is a page called sample page. This is the posts. There is one comment. WordPress theme total by hash themes. Now it says this theme recommends the following plugins: Elementor, hash theme, simple floating. Begin to install or dismiss this. Let's install this. I will explain this. Now let's install these plugins, but later I will explain them. These plugins work together with the theme. They work together with the theme. Without them, the theme will not be able to function the way it ought to function. But by the time you install it, you install the plugins, the theme will function the way it ought to function. They help the theme to function the way it ought to function. So once you see that, in anything you choose, in anything you pick, just click on begin installing plugins. But if you feel you don't need them and you know what you're doing, there is no need installing them, right? So we need to install Elementor, we need to install hash elements, simple floating menu, right? So we can click on this, then go to this bulk action, click on install, and then apply. It will automatically install all the plugins. So the plugins have been installed. Return to dashboard. Elementor, we need to remove this, we don't need it. So now go back to plugins, click on installed plugins, right? Now these are all the plugins that have been installed. Remember, we installed this, we installed this, we installed this, we installed this. Now this was here and we do not need it. So check it. Hello Dolly, we don't need it. We don't need this accumulate, right? So click on delete, apply. Yes, please, we don't need them. This is how to install theme and install plugins. Now, peradventure, we need another plugin. There is another plugin you are looking for that the theme does not have and you want to install it and activate it, right? What do? You go to add new. It's as simple as that. So add new, you come to this search bar here, click on this, then search the plugin you want to install. Okay, search the plugin you want to install. Let's say we want to install total. I will explain what this is, but I'm just showing you how to install a plugin. So once you see it, click on install and it installs it. This processing is installing. So it has installed it. Now I can either choose to click here and activate it, or I come here and click on all installed plugins. Then I will see this plugin and I will see activate as well. But I want to activate it here. I click here to activate it. Now the plugin is active and functioning. Now once you activate this, something appears here. Later we will talk about this. Okay, so as we are designing the website, as we are imputing content into the website, you need that plugin to keep your website flowing. Okay, so that is all we can actually do today. We have come to the end of the lecture. What did we cover? We covered how to install theme and delete a theme. Then we covered how to install plugin and delete a plugin if you don't want the plugin, if it's not what you want. So next time we are going to talk about how to install plugin from external source from your system, a downloaded plugin from another website, then install into your website, or how to install theme that you downloaded from another website into your website. That is what we are going to talk about in our next section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you have not commented before, you need to comment. If you have not liked any of the videos, please do give us a thumbs up. I'm actually trying my best to make sure that everybody understands what I'm saying or what I'm trying to pass, the knowledge I'm trying to pass to you. I don't just want people carrying certificate that they don't know how to use. At the end of this whole class or whole lecture, you should be able to stand on your own and design a full-fledged website. Okay? Alright. Have a wonderful day. Please stay safe. God bless you.